Buckle up, guys. This is going to be an interesting one. What's up, my people? Today I'm coming at you with some earth-shattering news that's about to rock your digital world. Buckle up because this AVA Coin update is not just important, it's potentially life-changing. Picture this scenario. You've been grinding away, day and night, mining those precious AVA coins. Your virtual wallet's getting fatter by the minute, and you're dreaming of the day when all this hard work pays off big time. But here's the twist that'll make your heart skip a beat. All of that could disappear in the blink of an eye if you don't take action right now. Yeah, you heard me right. Your AVA coin fortune, all those hours of mining, all those dreams of crypto riches. They could all go up in smoke faster than you can say blockchain. But don't panic. Your boy's got the inside scoop, and I'm here to make sure you don't miss out on this crucial opportunity. So, what's the deal? The bigwigs over at AVA Coin just dropped a bombshell announcement, and I'm here to break it down for you in plain English. August 25th. Burn that date into your brain, tattoo it on your arm, write it on your bathroom mirror. Why? Because that's D-Day, people. That's the last day you can claim your hard-earned AV coins before they vanish into the digital ether. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Chill, bro. I've got time. I'll do it later. Wrong. This is crypto we're talking about, not your high school homework. You can't afford to procrastinate on this one. In the fast-paced world of digital currency, hesitation is the kiss of death for your investments. Let me break this down step by step so it's crystal clear. 1. First things first, head over to the official AVA Coin claim page. Don't worry about sketchy links or scams. I've got your back. This is the real deal, straight from the AVA Coin team. 2. Once you're there, you need to connect your wallet. And I'm talking about the wallet that's linked to your AV Coin account. Double check, triple check, heck, quadruple check if you have to. This is not the time for mistakes. 3. Then it's time for the moment of truth. Hit that claim button like your financial future depends on it. Because guess what? It kind of does. Now let me give you a little peek behind the curtain of my own AVA Coin journey. I've already claimed my stash, a suite with more than 15K AV coins. But here's the kicker. I'm not stopping there. No, sir, I'm still in the game, still mining like there's no tomorrow. As we speak, my account's sitting pretty with almost 1 million AVA coins, just waiting for the next claim date. That's the kind of momentum you want to keep up in this game. But hold on to your hats, because it gets even better. The AVA Coin team is hinting at some major moves on the horizon. They're talking about a new snapshot and another token claim coming up. What does this mean for you? It means the opportunity train isn't just passing through, it's making a pit stop right at your front door. For those of you who might be sitting there thinking, but what if I haven't verified my account yet? Don't sweat it. There might still be a chance to get verified, but you've got to move faster than a bull market. Time is of the essence here, people. Let me lay it out one more time, because I can't stress this enough. 1. August 25th is the point of no return. Miss this deadline, and you can kiss your unclaimed AVA coins goodbye. 2. Claiming is a piece of cake, but only if you actually do it. Don't let laziness cost you your crypto fortune. 3. Keep that mining game strong. The next big opportunity is just around the corner, and you want to be ready to pounce. Now, I'm not just blowing smoke here. I've been in the trenches, grinding day in and day out. I've seen projects come and go, watched fortunes made and lost in the blink of an eye. But AVA Coin? This isn't just another flash in the pan. We're talking serious potential here, folks. This could be the rocket ship that takes your investment portfolio to the moon. So here's what I want you to do right now. Pause this video, go claim your coins, then come back and smash that like button so hard your screen cracks. Because if this info saved your AV Coin bacon, the least you can do is show some love, am I right? But wait, there's more. Yeah, I just pulled an infomercial move on you. Deal with it. For those of you who are new to the AVA Coin game or thinking about jumping in, listen up. This is not just about claiming your existing coins. This is about positioning yourself for future success. The crypto market is all about staying ahead of the curve, and AVA Coin is giving you a golden opportunity to do just that. Think about it. While others are sleeping on this update, you're here, getting the inside scoop. You're arming yourself with knowledge that could potentially set you up for some serious gains down the line. That's the kind of edge that separates the crypto champions from the wannabes. And let's talk about the bigger picture for a second. In the world of cryptocurrency, projects live and die by their community. The fact that AVA Coin is being this transparent, giving clear deadlines and keeping their users in the loop, that's a good sign, people. It shows they're committed to their user base. And that's the kind of project you want to be a part of. Remember, in the wild west of crypto, knowledge is your weapon, and timing is your ammunition. You've got the knowledge now locked and loaded. Don't let poor timing be the reason you miss your shot at crypto glory. August 25th, people. I can't say it enough. This is your boy. And before signing off, here is a huge shout out to all of my Epic channel members: Muhammad Albada Moyi Kaura, Inoxen001, Marinov YTube, Okemdichi Ememizi, Behind Wheels, James, Peter Edit, Enger Chukwu Nonso Kioma, Osundeko Sesan, Yahaya Haruna Idris, Adi Queen, Jacob Malo, Ekeni Okwosa, Sir Faithy Michaela, Akinwale Johnson, Godin Walbe, Damian Dickman, Nick, Angel Phoenix, Ogechi Destiny, Ekwumi Kingsley, Bipolaroid, Alexithymia, Dotun Ayeni, Tochukwu Lawrence, Chika Egbo, Benedict Emeka, Efedigbo Chukwu Ibuka Nduka, Obianuju Purity, Lorena Canaracio, Muhammad Labaran, Jazzy B021, Raymond Sunday, Ihamadu Christopher, Dr. Parasites, Cleavithson Wealth, Ruth Ekenem, Rida Musa. Thank you guys for supporting me. You are amazing. But don't think for a second that I'm leaving you hanging. I'll be back with more updates faster than you can mine a block. Keep stacking those coins, stay vigilant, and let's ride this AVA coin wave all the way to financial free. Until next time, keep your wallets fat and your dreams big. This is your boy, reminding you that in the world of crypto, fortune favors the bold and the well-informed. Peace out, crypto warriors. Until next time, keep your wallets fat and your dreams big.